Time for the Word on Wall Street. Top investors watching your money this morning. Joining me, Verdant's Capital Advisors CEO Leo Kelly. He's with us all morning long. And Brig McAdam Limited founder Greg Swenson and Fitz-Gerald Group principal Keith Fitz-Gerald. Keith, let me start with you. Netflix down in pre-market trading. It's off by more than 27%. It had already lost more than 40% of its value just year to date. Your reaction to Netflix report after the bell yesterday?
Well, I tell you what, the only thing, Dagan, that is surprising that it took this long for the rubber to meet the road. I've been screaming about this stock till I'm blue in the face. They've got a sharing problem, they've got a competition problem, and they've got a CEO who isn't acknowledging either, or hasn't until yesterday when the numbers were absolutely unavoidable. So the decision investors have got to make today is they got caught yet again with a Wall Street darling. Wall Street's going to put up some defense. There's going to be a lot of bottom fishing, but I'm not buying.
I was going to just point out, so Netflix sees a loss of 2 million paid subscribers in the current quarter. The expectation was for a gain of almost 2.7 million subscribers. If you look at the first half of the year, just the first half, Netflix will have 7.8 million fewer subscribers than Wall Street was expecting. So almost 8 million. The stock was already tumbling, and then Netflix tries to raise prices, Keith, in the middle of like the biggest inflation panic that we've seen in 40 years. And then they have the audacity to blame password sharing on a lot of the subscriber problems. At what price does this stock become a buy?
I don't think it does, Dagan. I think it's going to go from Wall Street darling to hero to zero very quickly because the competition's coming strong. They've got lots of other things in the brand stable. For example, with Disney or with Apple, they've got lots of other things that can move the needle. So a one-trick pony like Netflix has got a serious problem. They're talking about advertising, for crying out loud. That's why many people who watch Netflix left cable television in the first place. If we get that, my family's gone in a heartbeat, just like millions of other people are.
Amen to that. Leo, let me move on to the Atlanta and Chicago Fed presidents, Greg Swenson and also Keith Fitz-Gerald. Gentlemen, great to see you. Leo Kelly, you're with us all morning long. You sit right there. Much more ahead this morning.
Hi, it's Keith here. Thanks for checking out today's highlight clip. What'd you think? Did I make sense? Is there something you'd like to add? Make sure you leave a comment down below, and of course, click subscribe to keep up right here on YouTube, or sign up for the email newsletter at the link below. You can also find me on Twitter and Instagram for my real-time thoughts on markets, analysis, and a whole lot more.